In high school, I had contracted an unknown viral illness, and I had been hospitalized and been in and out of doctor's offices with different specialists. And so that kind of introduced me into the world of healthcare. It helped shape my experience just by having to go through and go meet with doctors continuously. It really takes a toll on you as a person, and I know that I went through some mental health struggles during that time. And so if I could just be a light in somebody's life and just help them get through that time and just make their day a little brighter, that is all I want to do. Hi, my name is Abigail Merryman. I am a second-year pharmacy student, and I am a part of Student Senate as an Alumni Ambassador co-chair. I stepped into this role this year, so pretty new, and I really wanted to be able to connect with alumni after our PY1 networking event last year I attended as a student. I think it's important that the alumni can see what the students are doing now, and I really wanted to be able to be a part of connecting with the alumni and helping students talk and meet with them. My favorite memory here at the school was Family Day last year as a PY1. I was able to show my parents around the school, and my mom is an alum of Eshelman School of Pharmacy, and my dad knows nothing about pharmacy really, so it was really cool to show them like the compounding lab and what I'd been doing in class and to show them around this amazing campus. What surprised me most about pharmacy school was I had done 2 years undergrad here at UNC-Chapel Hill and gone straight into pharmacy school through the early assurance program. And so I did not have my bachelor's degree, and I was a little bit nervous starting out a bit younger, but everything here has just felt like home. I've been able to find my people and have friends and peers and faculty that just really support me, and that has been just the greatest part of pharmacy school. Outside of school, I enjoy attending UNC sporting events. I am a big basketball fan, and also just in my free time, I enjoy painting and fishing on the coast of North Carolina, just kind of recharging, taking walks on campus, and swimming as well. The advice that I would give to incoming pharmacy students is just to be yourself and know that you are on your path and you are here for a reason.